Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll be creating a simple animation with text using the Saber plugin. Let's dive in. Begin by opening a new document and selecting the Type tool. Write your desired text, for example, Dark Soul. Next, adjust the font and alignment of the text to your preference. Now, let's increase the size of the text. Navigate to Effects and Presets, and search for the Saber plugin, spelled SABER if you haven't downloaded the Saber effect yet. Click on the video above for instructions on how to download it. Saber is a free plugin. Keep in mind that you can't directly apply the Saber effect to a text layer. Before applying the effect, select the text layer and auto-trace it by going to Layer. After that, drag and drop the Saber effect onto the Dark Soul layer. Next, go to Customizable Core, and change it to Layer Masks. Then, scroll up and change the preset to Nebula. Now, let's change the glow color to red. For now, decrease the glow intensity and increase the glow spread. Now, scroll down and change the alpha mode from disabled to mask core. This is the result you'll get. Now, let's increase the glow intensity again. Adjust the glow intensity as desired. Feel free to play around with the glow spread and intensity until you're satisfied. And you're done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Comment if you'd like more tutorials like this, and remember to subscribe to my channel.